Your spouse will not automatically inherit your home, rental properties, LLC memberships, or your financial accounts if you pass away and these are in your personal name. And so if you want to make sure that your spouse gets these without going through the probate process, you can set them up to avoid the probate process and pass directly down to them. Some of the options that you have with property, you could do joint tenants or rights of survivorship. That way you co-own the property with your spouse and your portion of the property will automatically bypass probate when you pass away and go directly down to them. You can set up joint ownership on financial accounts or set them as designated beneficiaries. If you want to account for all of your assets in one place, you can put them inside of a revocable trust. That way, when you are alive, you can be the trustee. You can maintain full control over the assets inside that trust. And then when you pass away, your backup trustee can step into your role as trustee and continue management of those assets inside the trust. It will avoid the probate process when you pass away. You won't have to deal with the probate courts or anything like that. A couple of other benefits of this is if your spouse is not involved in the wealth building process and they have no idea how to manage the assets and they don't want to figure out how to manage the assets, those assets inside of the revocable trust can be managed on behalf of your surviving spouse and take care of them. That way you are able to pick a trustee that you trust. You can set rules and guidelines and frameworks inside of that trust document that trustee has to follow in terms of management and distribution of those assets. And then your surviving spouse gets to benefit from the assets, but they don't have the responsibility of figuring out and taking care of those assets while they are in the end of their life. If you want help setting any of this up, click link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk some more.